This is definitely one of those big girl purchases. And I can tell you, I didn't have to spend a penny of my money because my husband got it for me. So, shout out to my husband. Thank you so much, babe. He knows I've been wanting to try this forever. The REVair. I've got it. Let's talk about it. Oh, how rude of me. Uh, my name's Ronia. If you are new here, and this is my fam, hair. And now that we are all acquainted, let's talk about why you stopped by. This is the REVair. I just got it. I unboxed it. I read the instructions thoroughly because I've never used it before. And we're going to see if this bad boy really works some wonders on my hair and gives me a phenomenal blowout. Because that's what I'm wanting to do. And I'm also wanting to use less heat on my hair. I live in Orlando, Florida. It's hot, it's humid, it's muggy. My hair goes through a lot of different stages throughout the year. And right now, she's dry. As you can see, my hair is super dry, super dirty, and super matted. I've got all kinds of different curl patterns throughout my hair. I've slowly started trying to work out here at the house. So I'm going to wash my hair first because the instructions do say to make sure your hair is thoroughly cleaned. And then I'll come back on camera and do this and see if we get a good blowout. Let me know if you think it'll work on my hair. And let me go wash my hair and I'll be right back. To ensure that my hair is properly clean before I do this blowout, I'm going to wash it twice. The first time I used the L'Oreal shampoo, second time a Design Essentials shampoo, following with the Design Essentials deep conditioner. This is such a great deep conditioner. It's so hydrating and it's really good for, tighter curls, coilier hair. It's really good for detangling and keeping it hydrated. Then I went in with the water-based leave-in. This is going to be a moisture milk by the Main Attraction. It smells just like lemongrass, and it's really good for having a light leave-in without making your hair feel tacky or sticky or even greasy or oily. And the REVair instruction said to make sure your hair wasn't like that. So I detangled, and I'm going to put my hair into 6 twists, 3 on the left and 3 on the right. It's been about an hour. My hair is low porosity, so it does take forever to dry. And when I was reading the instructions right here, it did say to have your hair damp and not soaking wet and not super saturated with products, especially like sticky, tacky leave-in. So that's why I did that water-based leave-in. But since my hair is like damp now, I am going to go in with my other leave-in. That's only because I'm only using 2 leave-ins because this one does have a heat protectant in it. And I'm just going to do a light layer of it. See, 2 squirts, 2 squirts, 2 squirts, 2 squirts. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm doing. It has technically several settings. The first half of the setting, you got to choose from level 1, 0, or, oh, that's backwards. Level 1, 0, or level 2. 0 is going to be no heat whatsoever. It's just like cool, like the cool shot on like a regular blow dryer. Level 1, it has the low heat, and then level 2 is the higher heat. And then on here, it goes up to the number 7. But you do want to, my son just came in. Hi, baby. um, it said in the instructions when I turn it on, even though it does go up to the number 7, it said to start with the number 3 because everyone's hair is different. And it said it's better to like gradually build up versus starting out at the highest heat setting and then it's too much for your hair. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn it on, but I am going to turn it on level 2 just because I do have a tighter curl pattern. It's not wavy. See how it has the 2 lines? Okay, and then I'm going to turn it on, and the power button is right here on the back. Okay, now it's on, and now it's flashing. It's at 0, so I'm going to put it up to 3. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to be using these REVair alligator clips just to separate my twist. And it does tell you to, kind of use like a wide tooth comb and just kind of get your hair detangled as much as possible. That way, the smoothing technique can, be in full force. And since this is my first time using this, I was so surprised at how like the section was. Like it doesn't feel like it's snagging my hair at all, but you can't see anything that's happening. You can just, you have to just sit there and wait and be patient and be still. And that made me think about the story of Boaz and Ruth. And y'all, if you have ever been in a season in your life where you just have to sit there and wait and be patient and wait on the Lord, like, I feel like a lot of us are in those seasons. Like, you're like, I don't know what's next. I don't know what's going to happen. And that's the same with this Rev Air. Like, I didn't know what was going to happen. Like, I was just, having faith, like, that it was going to straighten my hair. And Ruth had faith that God was going to take care of her. Like, she told Naomi, she was like, look, where you go, I go. Your God is my God. And like that faith that she had, it turned her from working in the fields to being the owner of the fields. So, y'all, that's the word of the day. Just have faith, trust God, and your season is coming. Okay. I'm excited, but I can tell you, wow, I do feel like I could go a little bit higher. I don't know if you can see my hair is still textured at number 3. I feel like the heat setting, the level 2 is right for me, but I feel like I could go to maybe a 4 or a 5 might be pushing it. I don't know. Cuz it's pretty straight. But I do just like look at my ends. Like can you see that? It's like still some crinkly. It looked crimped. That's how it looks. Like you remember the crimpers back in the day? That's how my hair looks. It looks crimped. So I think I'm gonna go up to number 4 and set it to 4. Now, after I put it on number 4, I felt like this was a really great number for me for the purpose of what I'm doing today. If I were going to be straightening my hair, I would do it on a higher tension number, like maybe number 5 or even tension number 6. I don't think I would need tension number 7, but you can see a clear difference. I mean, the results speak for themselves. You just simply place your hair there, and since it is suctioning and not blowing out, like it really does the work for you. Um, the instructions do say to just hold it there in place for 1 minute. You're not supposed to like move the rev air up and down. And so just being there, present in the moment, just holding it and being patient is really therapeutic in a way too, because I feel like our lives are just so fast paced most of the time, right? But just being still and being patient. And I did the math. If I have 6 twists in my head and I'm splitting each twist in half, right? So technically that would make it 12 twists. It's only taking me 12 minutes to do my hair. Like that blows my mind. Do you know how long it normally takes me to blow dry my hair? Like I can tell you for sure it's not 12 minutes. It- okay, what I can say is this may be my new favorite blow dryer. Um, I don't even think they consider themselves a blow dryer because it's reversing the whole method. Like it's pulling versus like blowing out. I don't know, like you have to go on the website to like really understand all the nooks and crannies of it, but it's like supposed to be less damaging to your hair and like yeah, it doesn't have a smell. You know how I am about stuff smelling burnt. It don't smell burnt. My hair, it doesn't smell burnt and it feels soft. Ugh, hair just stuck to my lip. Um, but you guys, I think that I would be able to go even higher. I'm just playing it cool, playing it safe right now. You know what I'm saying? But when I go to do a silk press, or flat iron, whatever y'all want to call it these days, because it changes like every couple months to me, I think. But I think I might put it on like level 5, maybe even level 6, just so I could get it super straight. But I like this. Oh, did I miss a piece? I missed a piece. That did not get put in there. Right there. You see it? But I mean, the hair that I'm getting in here, it's not snagging. It didn't snag on level 3. It didn't snag on level 4, which is probably what I'm going to keep it on, is level 4 for right now, because I don't all I'm going to do is put my hair in like 2 braids and call it a day. That's how I'm going to wear my hair. So I don't need it super straight. So a level 3, a level 4 for me without needing to go higher is gonna suit me right now, because I'm not gonna flat iron my hair after this. But y'all, my hair feels soft. I feel like it looks shiny. Does it look shiny to y'all on camera? I feel like it looks shiny. And it has a body, girl. Like, do you see that? The movement? It's moving. Like, look at that. So yeah, I I like it. Don't smell burnt. Don't smell burnt. My hair, I feel like you would get a really good silk press if you silk press your hair or flat iron your hair at home. But I feel like I'm getting a phenomenal blowout as well with this. So I'm going to finish the rest of my hair now. Okay, so if I just had to give a con, like, the pros and the cons for this review, I would say just simply holding my hands up. It feels like just a little bit of a workout. But girl, like, when is wash day never feel like a workout, right? Like, if you're a natural girly, like the washing, the detangling, the conditioning, it feels like a workout anyway. So it's not like it's super heavy or anything like that. Just holding your arms up, just, kind of feels like just a bit of a workout. I have nothing but positive things to say. I can tell you that I got some ideas while I was, doing my hair. Um, you can do, at least for me personally, I was like, I can stretch my wash and goes with this. Like, if you want to just do, like maybe like level 1 or level 2 on here, get your wash and go, put it on here, so your wash and go won't be like so shrunken. At least for me, like day 1, day 2, it's like shrunk, and then it'll stretch over, as time goes on, and it gets bigger. So if you like don't want to wait, you can like use this and like stretch it where your curl pattern will still be there. Because as you can see, where was it? Well, I can't find it, but my hair kind of looked like braiding hair, like the yaki texture, when I was doing it on number 3. So obviously it was still keeping my curl pattern and my texture in there. That's why I went up to 4. But I think this will work wonders for my hair. Let me know in the comments if you think this will work for your hair. And also let me know if you have one already and what you've been doing, because I want some tips too. I'm just thinking wash and go and silk press, but I'm sure there's plenty more things. Maybe roller sets could you do a roller set with this? I don't know. I don't know, but y'all let me know in the comments, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just braid my hair up, because like I said, that's what I was doing this for, was just so I could do 2 plaits to the side and have my hair kind of tucked away, since I'm slowly trying to work out now, and I don't want to have my hair down working out and sweaty, and having to wash my hair every other day. So, yeah, I'm gonna braid my hair now, but thank you guys so much for watching. Again, remember, this is just how it worked on my hair in the lower settings. I do intend to increase the setting when I'm gonna do like a flat iron to my hair. But yeah, that's the review. That's how it worked on my hair. Oh, do y'all want to see the back? That's the look, it has some body to it, y'all. Like, I'm not even joking with y'all. Like, my hair. does not feel hard. It feels very soft. It has some body, some movement, um, and it has like a shine to it. I don't know how to explain it. It has a shine. Um, yeah, I think this is gonna be phenomenal for a flat iron, silk press, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna just end the video here. Just kidding. Girl, I know you thought I forgot to show you the back, girl. I didn't. Here is the back. As you can see, we've got some movement, we got some flowing and some blowing, and this is just on level 4. Remember, we have 3 other tension settings above this. My hair feels soft. It don't smell burnt. It's great. Just remember, God loves you. God bless you. And I will see y'all in the next video. Take care.